This is a video on how to use the calculator to zero a measurement on the start of data collection within Capstone. First, I'll go to my hardware setup, and attached to the Spark link, we can see that I have a magnetic field sensor. I'll close the hardware setup tab, and I'll now go to the calculator setup. I'm going to double click on the first line, and I'm going to call my calculation 0 mag. And type in equals. I'm now going to right click, and from the pull down menu I'm going to go to Insert Data and then go across to Magnetic Field Strength. In order to zero this measurement, I'm going to subtract from this value of the current magnetic field strength the initial magnetic field strength. I'll do that by putting in the subtraction sign. And now I'm going to scroll down using the scroll bar here on the right hand side, and I'm going to select my Special tab on the left hand side here. And from this right hand area here, I'm going to select First. Let me scroll down here so that we can see the description of this. And this will this will return the first value that is recorded for this measurement. So by subtracting off the first value, I will have essentially zeroed my sensor on start of data collection. And I'll scroll back up to the top, and the function first will be inserted here along with its argument. I'm going to right click where my cursor is right now, going to select Insert Data, and then go again down to Magnetic Field Strength. Once this has been selected, I'll hit Tab, and I'm now going to assign the units for this calculation to be equal to the units of the arguments that I've put in this calculation. In this case, it's going to be Teslas. I'm now going to click on the calculator to close the calculator tray. I've previously created a 2-digits display. My first display on the left-hand side is the raw magnetic field strength data that's coming from my sensor. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to select my 0 mag. And this is where the magnetic field strength for the first data point has been subtracted from the remaining data set. I'm going to put the magnetic field sensor essentially in a 0 magnetic field condition. So we can see that these two values will roughly match each other at a very low value. I'm now going to place a magnet in front of the magnetic field sensor so that the field strength will not record 0 on the raw data, but it will read 0 from the 0 mag calculation. I'm going to collect data again. And you can see that the data has been zeroed on the right-hand side